In this video we will discuss about why IT consultancy is needed in modern business era. Businesses are increasingly dependent on technology. In today's digital age, technology plays a vital role in almost every aspect of business operations. Therefore, IT consultancy is useful. IT consulting solves clients' problems by offering firms professional advice, direction, and services to help them maximize their information technology systems and processes. IT consultants collaborate with clients to comprehend their particular requirements and issues before offering suggestions and solutions to enhance IT operations and accomplish corporate objectives. Overall, IT consultants help organizations improve IT operations, achieve business goals, and gain a competitive advantage in today's digital environment.